As a boutique hotel manager, have you ever wished you were a fortune teller? Trying to predict future demand and day-by-day pricing for the next 120 days can feel like guesswork. But what if your guesses were more informed, like a weather forecast? This kind of decision-making is known as dynamic pricing. It might seem complicated or expensive, but what if you could master it yourself? You don't need to hire an expert, buy new software, or scramble for data. With the right knowledge, you can confidently adjust your pricing on a weekly basis. That's exactly why we've created a free revenue management course specifically designed for boutique hotels from 20 to 120 rooms. Imagine the potential benefits. Here's an example of a hotel that implemented this on a regular basis. You can see the overall improvement to occupancy, ADR, and RevPAR are significant. So, did we do this by adjusting all the rates up or down? No, we adjusted rates surgically, day by day, based on fresh market data every week. But don't just take our word for it. We've been featured in major media and participants have said things like,
"Great instruction and explanation."
Revenue management is a really complex subject area, and you do a great job of showing hoteliers how they can take the first step.
Precisely explain the way to maximize revenue and maintain the occupancy of the hotel for revenue management.
And the best part? This valuable insight is entirely free. Many hotels have improved their revenue by just listening to the free portions that we are giving away for the next few months. So, what have you got to lose? With our course, you'll gain the skills to improve your hotel's profitability on your own terms. Click the link below or visit our site to sign up for our free revenue management course and start mastering your yield today.